So for the people who saw my TokenPay Windows wallet guides, you will see actually it's pretty much the same wallet as the Windows wallet. There really is no difference with the UI. We can already see that our wallet is syncing up, so that's a good thing. You want your wallet to be fully synced. If you now go to your wallet and send, that's how you send your TokenPay, address books, etc. Here you can fill in the address you want to send to. You can enter a label, a name for the wallet, and a short narration what the reason is. For example, card payment, or just, whatever you want to fill in pretty much. If you hit advanced options, you can transfer from public to private and from private to public. If you want a full detailed guide about this, we got it up as well. If you navigate to receive, you see the addresses to deposit it on, but you should never really use the default addresses. You should always hit create new address or create a new wallet. And the reason for this is really because if you create a new wallet, you will get a recovery phrase. So here at the options, you can enable your staking. You can put a reserve, an amount that you don't want to be staked, so that you can use at any moment. Here at wallet management, and you can always go to backup and backup wallet. Pretty much the same like the Windows wallet. You just hit backup wallet, save as, give it a name, place where you want to save it. I always do desktop, and then I would recommend to save it, to an USB, and hit save. And there you already have the TPAY backup.dat file, which is your backup file for your wallet. If you, however, going to make a backup, I would always recommend to make a new wallet first before you make a backup. The reason for this is because you want the recovery phrase of this. So now you're probably thinking, how do I make a backup or make a new wallet? You navigate to wallet management and hit add new wallet. You will give your wallet a name. I always do TPAY Mac wallet, and you will set a password. Write down this password very carefully, as it will be needed as well. You hit next and you will get a recovery phrase. Save this recovery phrase very good as well, as you will be needing both the recovery phrase and the password in order to get your wallet back once you lose access to it, okay? So write it down, keep it safe somewhere, and make sure that it's right. That's pretty much how you make a new wallet. And after that, you should make the backup. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick to the point view and showing how the TokenPay Mac wallet looks like. Many similarities, of course, with the Windows wallet, but I just want to do a separate video on it as well, as a lot of people have been asking me for it. Wish you guys a great day. I'm out. Bye bye.